Patron saints and guilty faces, we welcome you to our horror show of an event with open hearts and bloody graves. We sing the songs of times to come, the ones we've grown to love. Those in the way, beware! Before everything falls apart, create! Will you find out what happens in the end? I'm not gonna put your scheme at night, devil, let's go. And the earth will plummet to the ground again. I have to tell them no one knows, and then I'll find a way to push the chain like still dead, run away to the trenches and those with the famous alleyway. I got a feeling that today, yes, number day. Some say that they're impossible, the cars of the way to heaven for free like me. Let the bread run with the rhythm and the freedom, like your feelings and a fist and motion raises when you're only 16. Waiting for the break-in train to come, and I have 6 twists in the wind, and I can't kill the shit with the bell. I'm a social form strong when the shit's at the ground. Find me. time I turn on the TV, click to the news, all I see is a bad day's happening. People dying and people killing and everybody amplifying destruction and chaos all around the world. Every time I see it, it makes my stomach curl. My stomach curl, and I make up for all the mistakes that I've made in the way. Many young portrays the day in the life for someone else. And some stupid celebrity media, just a good story. Your pubs are full of evil and I'm getting fed up. Went to hold till and every day people are obscene.